Waste can be seen from here and there, and we all know that waste has been one of the problems our society and generation is facing. According to UNEP, waste has a huge environmental impact affecting not just the environment but also to the people living in it. Direct exposure to this hazardous waste can affect human health and wildlife. Locally throughout the years, Iligan City has been facing problems with regards to the proper segregation of waste. Barangay Tambacan specifically is one of the community wherein throwing garbage in the ocean and no controlled structure of garbage disposal is observed. A lot of times, trash that has not been recycled and properly segregated often ends up being thrown in the ocean of Tambacan, Iligan City. These garbages tend to be the breeding grounds of bacteria and viruses which causes pollution and affects human health and causes serious diseases. These actions to mitigate the increasing tons of collected garbage in Iligan City led the researchers to come up with an innovative idea, a solid waste automatic segregator and water filter system designed to support the solid waste management system. Introducing to you, Interceptor, your number one waste segregator. The Interceptor is an auto-intelligent garbage waste segregator that filtered the water in Tambacan, Iligan City and cleansed the garbage loitering along the coast of Tambacan. This interceptor is helpful in minimizing the waste collected in Tambacan and as well as helps filtering the water present in it. The list shown below are the materials needed for making the product.